ARC is one of 2 companies in the US and one of 4 in the world that makes surface conditioning material in-house. That means Z-Web was developed and created right here in Troy, Ohio. Its unique impregnation and grain distribution makes an engineered value savings for your bottom line. Before moving along, I want to turn it over to Mick Armitage, and he will discuss a study conducted for a tire and auto shop delivering value savings from our core products.
Thanks, Jeff. Like you said, the company in question was an automotive repair shop that teamed up with ARC for a unique solution-driven value to further impact their bottom line. Let's face it, the automotive industry is big in the United States. Daily commutes can wear your brakes and calipers down as time goes on. There needs to be a viable solution to solve these setbacks quickly. This end user was set with many challenges, from operational safety, operator fatigue and diminished productivity. Our recommendation not only outperformed, but provided a new value by showing a 66% increase in output from saving an hour of labour a day, but also improved safety conditions and cost savings of $35,000 in parts alone. We impacted their bottom line while also improving safety conditions.